Hey y'all, welcome back, and if you're new here, what's good? I'm Moody and you're watching my YouTube channel. I think about giving myself to you, 'cause you know I want you, babe, and I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking the risk. I'ma take their risk. And she with me.
Alright y'all, so obviously this video is going to be about my butterfly locks, if that's what we're calling them. As I started this video with, I am not a professional. I am not licensed. This was my first time even doing this. I just wanted to do a video basically of me doing it and showing y'all how I do it, if I like them or whatever. I will say that I do like them. Mine are super distressed and like super curly, but that's how I wanted them. Well, okay, I probably didn't want them this curly, but I did want them like super distressed or whatever. And yeah, that's how they turned out. I wanted them distressed, but I wish they were more neat. I wish they were more straight, if that makes sense. Like my hair, all of them are super like wavy and crinkly. And low-key, that could be because I did a twist underneath for my base instead of a braid. I'm not sure, but overall I am satisfied. I don't plan on keeping this style in for like no more than 2 weeks anyways. I did use a total pack of 5 packs of the Freestress water wave hair in 22 inches in the color 1. For the most part, I am pretty satisfied with these. You know, quarantine made me do it or whatever. It's cute. I'm not, like, I like them, y'all. I don't know how y'all feel about them. I know mine are super curly, but I really like these. Like, I think they're cute. And this style was so easy to do, y'all. I would say the hardest part for me was like the whole crocheting, like getting my braiding hair on the crochet needle and it not like getting tangled and pulling it through. Like, I don't know why that was so hard for me, but that was like the hardest part about this whole look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not sure if it was helpful, but if it was, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay y'all, so I'm back. And you know, I honestly, my twists were just so cute. I just had to wear them, you know. I had to give them a little day or whatever. Just so we're clear, I am not a professional, okay? I am not a licensed cosmetologist. I am a licensed esthetician. I am not a lock specialist, okay? I've never done this before. Just so you know, but it's gonna be cute. I can feel it. I can feel it because my twist is so cute. Like, all I'm about to do is wrap the mugs up. Wrap the mugs up, okay? Alright y'all, so I'm using the Freestress braid water wave hair, and this is 22 inches, and I got the shade 1. Anytime I get 1B, I'm always like, I should have got 1. So I got 3 little strands or whatever, and I'm gonna like comb them out. So because my hair is longer than what I want my lock to be, like I want it basically at my shoulders, I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna crochet it up. I'm gonna fold my twist up, poke the hair through, pull the hair out. If that made sense. I may just have to wait till I get closer to the front to actually show you guys how to do it when I figure out how to do it anyways. Okay y'all, so this is what we are working with so far. Some of these to me, they look a little raunchy. Like, I don't know, like I like it, but I've just seen better, basically. I know, like, I've seen better, but they don't bother me because they're supposed to be distressed. Like, I want them to look messy almost. So yeah, let's just go ahead and finish this section. I'm so ready to get this over with. Okay, because my hair is so much longer than how I wanted, or the length that I wanted, I'm basically gonna crochet it up. to make it shorter like that. I think I was just looking cockeyed AF. And then I also like twist it up just because it's annoying trying to wrap over the part that's sticking out. So I'm taking 2 strands of the braiding here, and then I'm just gonna separate it. Okay, so we have our braid here, and I'm just gonna stick my crochet needle through the base of it, like so. If y'all can see, not sure. Put my hair over it, put the braiding hair inside, and then pull it through. Alright, and then I'm just gonna pull so that I have 2 sides, and then I'm gonna pull again to shorten the hair. Oh, my hair is so dark, I don't know if y'all can see. Shorten the hair to my desired length. That right here. And then I'm gonna twist it tightly at the top, at the base or whatever, to secure it. And then I'm twisting down. So if you want to create like that butterfly lock effect, you basically wrap it around your thumb once or twice or however many times you want. And then it kind of creates like a bump like that. And me, I'm honestly just kind of like tossing the hair around. But I think that's also why mine looks so like messy-ish. Or not as, I don't know, neat or uniform maybe. And when I get to the bottom, you can either leave it out. I fold mine up. And then I wrap up. I don't know why that one want to be like the worst one ever that I just did.
cause it stink. When I'm with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo, they blind. She wanna roll it, she